Hello everyone and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And this is the last part to make our Princess Peach, if the part number 5. If you haven't seen the previous videos yet, in the description of this video you can find the links. And in this tutorial we will make hair shoes. We will use the same coral color yarn that we use on the dress, and we will make two equal shoes from round 1 to 10. The only difference on these shoes, on the both shoes, will be the round number 11. Then I'm already made from round 1 to 10 in one piece, and we will make the other one together. We will start making the slip knot and then 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we will start in the second chain, repeating 2 times 2 single crochet and 1 triple increase. 1 and 2 here in the second chain, the first single crochet. I recommend that you put some mark on the chain number 4, because here we will make the second triple increase later. Then now the second single crochet, and in the last chain 1 triple increase, 3 single crochet together in the same place. 1, 2 and 3. And now we will make the another repetitions in the another side. 1 single crochet. At the same time you can hide this thread. The second one, and in the chain that I recommend that you put some mark, 1 triple increase. 1, 2 and 3, and we already finished this round with 10 points. On round 2 we will start with 2 single crochet, one and 2, and now 3 increase. 1 increase, 2 and 3, and we will repeat the same one more time. We will finish this round with 16 points. On round 3 we will start with 2 single crochet, one and 2, and now 6 increase. This is the first increase, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and we will repeat the same one more time. We will finish this round with 28 points. On round 4 we will make 28 single crochet, but this time we will make the single crochet reverse. Pay close attention and you can see how I do this point. The first single crochet reverse, two, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet reverse until finish this round. If you think that is more easy for you taking only the back loop, you can also do it like that. And if you want to know more about this, in the description of this video I will share some link with you, because we already have some tutorial on this channel to to explain more about this single crochet reverse, and I'm so sorry for my English. Then this is the result after finish the round 4. And now from round 5 to 8 we will make 28 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and then the same until round 8. On round 9 we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Now 6 decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and for the end 14 single crochet. 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until we are 14 and finish this round with 22 points. On round 10 we will turn, and we will make 12 single crochet starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And that's it, we already finished the round 10. And remember, we will make 2 equal pieces from round 1 to 10. I'm already repeat that 2 times. And now we will make the difference on these shoes. And I will continue with the second one that I'm already made. And on round 11 for these shoes, we will start round 11 with 25 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing chains until we are 25. When you finish the chains number 5, we will make 12 single crochet starting in the last single crochet on the previous round. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until we are 12 and finish. And for the end we will make 13 slip stitch, and pay close attention where I made the slip stitch. The first one in the base of this single crochet, the second one in the base of the next single crochet, and that's it. Now in each point, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 in the base of this single crochet, and that's it. Now you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn only for secure and hide it. And that's it. Now we will made the round 11 in the another shoes. And for these shoes, on round 11, we will start turn the piece, turn, and we will make 12 single crochet. 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until we are 12 and finish this round. Now 25 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing chains until we are 25. When you finish the 25 chains, we will make 12 slip stitch. The first slip stitch in the base of the last single crochet, here, the second one in the next single crochet in the base, and that's it. Now one in each point. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 or 13. 12 or 13 is okay, it's only a detail for finish. And that's it. Now you can secure and hide it. And only we need something more for these, for both shoes. I will put some button. I prefer this color, but you can use the colors that you prefer. And I will make this union using a wool needle, and with some thread I will use other pink color yarn, but you can use the color that you prefer. Then pay close attention and you can see how I made this union. And before put it on our princess, we need make this, and will be better to put it on her feet. And that's it. And then we already finished our Princess Peach. I really love her. And I don't know if you know that we already have tutorials on this channel to make Mario Bros and Luigi. In the description of this video I will share the links with you. And I hope you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to give me your like and your comment. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you have any questions, I answer you as soon as possible. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next Amigurumi, bye bye!